And we want to start with Saranac Lake, New York, and you can see that hazy, smoky sky. They've got an air quality alert until midnight. From there to Hartford, and look at this picture out of Hutchinson Parkway here in New York. That really smoky sunrise is what we've been seeing. So the air quality alerts are up not just for eastern Pennsylvania, up to New Hampshire, parts of Connecticut, but back through Michigan. Cleveland is in it, northwest Indiana, and all of Wisconsin. So we're going to see these air qualities be a problem at least through today, if not tomorrow, depending on where you are. Like Stephanie said, Boston's going to see improvement because you're going to see this flow off the ocean, bring in the easterly winds, but hefty from the Catskills through the Poconos to Washington, D.C. Still seeing the smoke for tomorrow. Things improve in Wisconsin for tomorrow. But I do want to show you Las Vegas, Nevada looked really similar. So they've got the smoky skies, and that was from that Gifford fire in Southern California. More where that came from. And just to put this in perspective, guys, Canada has burned more than 16 million acres so far this year. That is more than double their 10-year average to date. So this is a big year.
Yeah, that is something indeed to keep in mind, Ginger. Thank you.